Yeah, there's some stuff. Get it, Lou. Louie! There you go. Oh my gosh. Get it, Lou. Get it.
I don't know, did you want to bring a bottle of wine to Uncle Charlie's, Aunt Stella?
I guess.
Did you still drink wine?
Yes. There you go.